Story of the sound. Letter F says For more phonics lessons, please download the app Kidscademy from the Google Play Store. Now, Froggy the frog lives in a pond with 4 other frogs. They share the same pond with a few other fish. One of the most beautiful ponds, this one was filled with lotus flowers. Frogs hop from one lotus flower to another one. One day, a flamingo noticed some frogs in the pond. All the other frogs managed to jump into the pond, but Froggy was unable to do so. He was about to be eaten by a flamingo when a clever fish appeared and said, "Froggy, come inside the pond." Froggy expressed his thanks to the fish by saying, "Thank you so much, dear. You saved my life." One day, a fisherman came to the pond to catch some fish. Sadly, the fish who saved Froggy was caught by the fisherman. The fish started shouting, "Froggy, please help me." Froggy quickly arrived there to remove the net that was trapping the fish. From that day onwards, Froggy and fish became best friends forever. Now let's see the words from the story having sound. Frog, and the name of the frog in the story was Froggy. 4. Fish. Flower. Flamingo. Fisherman. Happy learning! Story